Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before going to the video, do click the bell icon so that you won't miss any other further updates from my channel. So we'll start with the things that we need for today's video, and that are the two. I'm taking two canvas board. You can take three if you want. So there are some paint brushes, most importantly the black paint marker and some acrylic black paint. That's what you need. And the first step what we're going to do is we're going to tape both these canvas board together so that when we'll draw they won't move, so that the lines will come in one plane. So that's why. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some circles, and they're not going to be exactly on in a best proportion or the right proportion. You can just play it around any. So draw the half circle in one canvas, and half of it should be in another one, and just play it around wherever you want to do. So you can just copy my circles that the way I did, or just choose whatever you want. So what we're gonna do is the next step is to make the designs in it. So what we will do is I'm just making some rough sketches with the pencil. So whatever design you want to do, so I just filled it all. So I'll have this idea, so where I'm gonna mark it black and where I'll leave it blank. So that is very important. So because we're gonna draw the whole thing black, so I'm just leaving more spaces white in between, so that it'll give a nice pop color, or just the white will look real good. There's another thing that you can do. If you have the white paint marker, so either you can do just paint the whole canvas together black, and then after that you can paint it with the white marker. So I think that is much easier way of doing it, but I liked it this way, and also I didn't have the white marker, so that's why. But I'm surely gonna buy one, because that's come real handy sometimes. Now just paint the rest of the part as black as you can. Just don't leave any spaces in between, and like this, just keep coloring it and leave some white spaces in between, otherwise there's no point of making this video. So just keep doing it till you get a nice color and nice picture out of it. So I'm just gonna fill the whole thing black. So let's finish it. Okay guys, so I'm still painting this all together. So I want to tell you something. My sister is insisting me to promote her channel. She made a new channel on YouTube, and she's like, why you're not promoting my channel on your on your videos? I said, I have an art channel, how I'm gonna promote yours? She is her channel is a cooking channel, so she's like, go promote my channel. So I'll say, okay fine, I'll say something in my videos about yours. And I would okay guys, if I'll put a link below for her channel. Just go and watch, especially the Indian viewers, because her channel is in Hindi. She made it in Hindi, and she does some subtitles and all. So there are some nice recipes there. If you go and want to check it out, I don't know, just go and see her channel. I'll put a link for you. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and do make this and it will look real great. And if you'll have 3 canvases, that will be real good, because my canvas is a little small. If you want to take a bigger one, that will make a big difference. So keep watching my video and do give me a thumbs up below, and if you liked it, please share this video with your friends and your family, and do make this and try this at home, and do comment below if you know by chance made this exact project at home, and how is it looking. Just share your views with me. Okay guys, till then, bye bye, take care. I'll come with new video next week. Ta-ta.